Here's how it works. First, download the Golf Genius app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store if you've not done so already. Once downloaded, open the mobile app and you'll be presented with the option to sign in with a GGID or email and password. In most cases, you'll receive a foursome GGID from your tournament organizer via email or text message before the round, or on the scorecard or cart sign at the beginning of the round. After logging in, you'll see your parent group. Click your name to start entering scores. Score entry is simple. Enter scores for the players in your foursome, click Save Scores, and you're automatically taken to the next hole. At any time, you can switch between the score entry page and the tournament leaderboard while the round is in progress. On the final hole, record the scores and press Save Scores. You can continue editing scores as you had during the round, or press Scorecard Summary, where you can view and edit hole-by-hole scores for each player in your group. Once you're done reviewing scores, click View Leaderboard and see how you stand up to the competition. We hope you enjoy your round, and thanks for watching.